Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the end of December, or we can say the end of year 2021. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading. So let's get started. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see what's there for my Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. At the back of the deck, we have the Eight of Swords. So this is your overall energy, the energy which you are going through. Okay, so somewhere I feel that you are afraid of taking some kind of an action. Okay, somewhere you want to take an action, but you are afraid. You are not able to get to know what you want or how to take this action. There is a lack of self-confidence. There is a feeling of helplessness in the situation, and you are unsure about what to do and how to do it. In the past, we have Ten of Swords, Four of Cups and the Magician. I feel that there was some kind of a situation where you felt that you were the one who were rejected by somebody. Okay, so this could be a bad past. This could be a bad ending which happened in the past with you, and because of that, you still somewhere you are holding that thing in your heart. Okay, it's more like the rejection part which is really hard for you to accept, and the leaving away of somebody else in your life was really hard for you to accept. Okay, but you know, somewhere it's a very positive energy as well, because you know, with everything, with whatever is happening in this world, the universe is telling that, you know, whatever is happening, it's happening for good. So you have somewhere that manifestation energy in you, that yes, whatever is happening for me, you know, that positive energy, that whatever is happening for me is happening for good. You have that positive energy in you. Okay. In the present, we have the Moon, Four of Swords and the Five of Swords. So I see strong. Again, as I told you, that your overall energy is the Eight of Swords. So that means that it is going on like that. You know, you're not able to take actions in your life. You want to take some actions, like from within. Your heart is telling you to do this thing. Your heart is telling you to do that thing, but you are not able to do what you really want to do. Somewhere you are afraid of taking a step, or somewhere, you know, for some of you, you are afraid of taking the step. You are afraid of taking the action which you want to take, and for some of you, you are feeling helpless, like what should I do, what action should I take? There are so many negative energies around me. Whatever a choice I take, it might not be good for everyone. What if it becomes bad for me? What if it becomes an unwise choice for me? You know what I mean? So yes, you are afraid of taking a decision, taking an action, because you feel that it's not good. It might not be good for your family. It might not be good for the people around you. You're thinking too much about the people around you rather than yourself. Okay. In the coming future, we have the Wheel of Fortune, Three of Pentacles and Seven of Swords. But yes, in the coming future, it feels like you are taking a step. You are being a little selfish in the coming future. Somewhere you are, the wheel is turning. Okay, whatever is happening right now, it's not going to happen in the coming future, which is coming up in your cards. Okay, let's see what are the clarifications of your energies. Tell me more about this Eight of Swords for my Capricorns, please. Yeah, Two of Swords. Okay, so this definitely means, again, the choices which are in front of you, you are unable to make a decision, you are unable to make a choice. You are either over analyzing a situation, or there is nothing to analyze in that situation for which you are over analyzing. You are not able to follow your heart, what your heart is trying to tell you. You are not able to take responsibility for your life, and that is what the cards are saying. You have to take responsibility for your life, no matter what, no matter people says. You have to take, no matter how many people might feel bad, might feel sad, somebody might even cry like what are you doing and this and blah and blah and blah, but you have to take, you have to do some things for your own self. Okay, tell me about the 10 of swords in the past energies. Three of okay, so 3 of wands is here. I feel that this was a long past which has already happened like years ago might be, but somewhere the feeling of rejection didn't go away from your heart, because that is the reason this past is coming up in your energies. Why the 4 of cups is here? The star. Yeah, I feel that somewhere somebody, some kind of a Capricorn over here is still having some hopes, okay, about a situation, about whatever happened in the past. You know, that hope of either reconciliation, kind of a hope, or I feel that you are, there was a person in your life in the past who told you, like, whatever is happening, don't care about it. Care about the coming future, which is so bright for you. Okay, so think positively about the situations. Think in a positive way. Somebody was trying to tell you about the things, like no matter you were not in your own senses at that time, but people were actually helping you out to take you out from that situation. Listen to those people. There's nothing left in the past, whichever you were dealing with. It's nothing left of that past anymore. Let it be past. Do not bring that thing in present. If somebody is trying to help you, look at the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, so if somebody is trying to tell you that, listen to them. Okay, why the magician energy is here in the past energy? 6 of swords energy is here. So 6 of swords is trying to tell us that, you know, you moved away from that situation long back, Capricorns, but it's like, yeah, I feel that this was the end of that situation already. And if for some of you, okay, so it could be only 1 or 2% of you who are still in somewhere present in that energy of the past, just let it go if you have not let that thing go. The moon energy, Knight of Swords. Okay, so somewhere I feel that you are afraid of sudden and unexpected changes which are coming your way, and that is why you are unable to take the decision which is meant to be taken really fast. 4 of Swords, Ace of Swords. Yeah, but if you're not able to take any decision right now, the best advice which is coming from the tarot is no need to take any step right now. Take some rest, take a pause if that is fine with you. Because somewhere either you need some clarification of the situation you are in. Okay, if that clarification is still not there, take some time more. Okay, do not take decisions so fast that later on you might regret taking those decisions. 5 of Swords, the 5 of Wands, conflicts and arguments. Okay, so do not get involved in any of these things, please, people, because, you know, walk away from the drama, because the situation in which you are in are not good actually. If you are dealing with a workplace, bad workplace, do not get involved in any kind of drama, because I'm so sorry, I don't know what is happening. Do not get involved with any that kind of a drama which makes your life hell. Okay, no need to get into these kind of things. The Wheel of Fortune in the future energies, please, for my Capricorns. 4 of Wands, wow. So I see travel, I see new energies coming your way, my dear Capricorns. It could be an unexpected progress, an unexpected thing which might have which might happen all of a sudden. Okay, so this is something which is happening with you unexpectedly in the coming future, my dear Capricorns. Why the Three of Pentacles is here with the Nine of Swords. Okay, so you might be thinking about this situation from a long period of time, and you might have found a fear, or we would say found a depressing place with the situation somewhere, but things are coming into fruition, which is coming up. It's more like, you are thinking about those things. You are getting worried about those situations which are not even going to happen, so you are just worrying about nothing actually. So stop worrying about these situations. Seven of Swords, Queen of Cups. Wow. So yes, so this is more like an energy where you are becoming a little selfish for yourself, but more than selfishness energies, I see that this is more kind of a self-love energies, where you are having best time for your life. You are taking care of yourself, you are spending time with yourself, you are being honest with yourself, because somewhere you always wanted to be, and you were not able to take time for yourself, but you are taking care of yourself more and more. This is only for those people who were not doing the things which are coming up in the cards. Okay, so this is for you, taking care of yourself, loving yourself more and more. This will actually help you decide some things in life. Sometimes things that do not happen, or that do not happen, are actually not meant to happen. Okay, so stop thinking about those things that are not happening. Start thinking about those things which are happening around you. Okay, focus on the present. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.